Today we're going to delve into the planets within our solar system. Thank you for watching in, sit back, and enjoy the journey. We'll begin with the planet nearest to the Sun, Mercury. Mercury is a terrestrial or rocky planet that orbits less than 58 million kilometers from the Sun, or 36 million miles. It is the smallest planet in our solar system with a diameter of only 4,879 kilometers. It's only marginally larger than Earth's moon, and they actually look quite similar. Despite its small size, Mercury is the second densest planet in the solar system. Mercury completes a full orbit around the Sun in just 88 days, but one full day cycle on Mercury lasts around 58 Earth days. Surface temperatures can range from a scorching 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit, during the day to a frigid minus 180 degrees Celsius, minus 290 Fahrenheit, at night due to its lack of atmosphere to retain heat. The gravity on Mercury is roughly 38% of Earth's gravity, so if you weighed 220 pounds on Earth, you would weigh just 84 pounds on Mercury. As evident from its craters, Mercury has been heavily bombarded by impacts over the years. Moving beyond Mercury, we reach Venus. Venus is another terrestrial or rocky planet, orbiting just over 107 million kilometers from the Sun. It has a diameter of 12,103 kilometers. Although not the closest planet to the Sun, Venus is the hottest, with surface temperatures reaching nearly 900 degrees Fahrenheit due to its thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid. The thick cloud cover filters sunlight, making the surface appear orange. Venus's surface is also dotted with thousands of volcanoes, mountains, and valleys. Maxwell Montes, a mountain on Venus, is comparable in size to Mount Everest. Venus completes an orbit around the Sun in 225 days, and due to its slow rotation, a single day on Venus lasts nearly 243 Earth days, longer than a full year on Venus. The gravity on Venus is about 90% of Earth's gravity, so a person who weighs 220 pounds on Earth would weigh about 198 pounds on Venus. It's believed that Venus was once very different, possibly covered in oceans of liquid water, but a runaway greenhouse effect drastically altered its surface conditions, serving as a reminder of what could happen on Earth. Next is the planet we all know well, our home, Earth. Earth is another terrestrial planet orbiting the Sun at a comfortable distance of 149.6 million kilometers. This distance, along with our atmosphere, allows the vast diversity of life we see on Earth. Earth is the densest planet in the solar system, measuring 12,742 kilometers across. The highest recorded air temperature on Earth is 134.1 degrees Fahrenheit, recorded in Death Valley, California, in July 1913. The lowest recorded temperature is minus 128 degrees Fahrenheit, recorded at a Soviet weather station in Antarctica in July 1983. Earth completes an orbit around the Sun every 365 days, with each day lasting 24 hours. The surface of Earth is incredibly diverse, featuring vast frozen areas, molten sections, lush greenery, expansive wetlands, and arid deserts. This diversity makes Earth unique. It is crucial that we adapt and find sustainable ways to live on our planet to preserve it for future generations. Next, we visit the red planet Mars. Mars is a terrestrial planet orbiting the Sun at an average distance of 228 million kilometers, completing an orbit in 687 Earth days. A day on Mars lasts 24.6 hours, similar to Earth. Mars has a diameter of 6,779 kilometers, making it about half the size of Earth. Its surface is cold and dusty, with an average temperature of minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, though temperatures can vary greatly depending on location and season. Near the equator, temperatures can reach 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Mars's gravity is much lower than Earth's, about 62% less, so if you weighed 220 pounds on Earth, you would weigh only 83 pounds on Mars. Mars shares many similarities with Earth, sparking curiosity about potential human colonization. The fifth planet from the Sun, Jupiter, is the largest. Jupiter is a gas giant with a diameter of 139,820 kilometers, about 11 times larger than Earth. It orbits 778 million kilometers from the Sun, completing an orbit every 12 years, while a day lasts just 10 hours. Jupiter lacks a solid surface, but has an ocean of liquid metallic hydrogen beneath its clouds due to immense atmospheric pressure. The temperature within Jupiter's clouds is about minus 234 degrees Fahrenheit, but closer to the core it can reach 43,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the Sun's surface. A 100 pounds person on Earth would weigh 240 pounds on Jupiter due to gravity 2.4 times stronger. Falling into Jupiter's clouds would result in being crushed and vaporized by immense pressure. The Great Red Spot, a storm twice the size of Earth, has been raging for hundreds of years with winds reaching 423 kilometers per h. Jupiter is stunning but deadly. Next is Saturn, known for its magnificent rings. Saturn is a gas giant with a diameter of 116,460 kilometers and orbits 1.4 billion kilometers from the Sun, taking 29 years to complete an orbit. A day on Saturn lasts just under 11 hours. Saturn has 3 layers of clouds. The upper layers are composed of ammonia ice, with temperatures ranging from minus 280 to minus 270 degrees Fahrenheit. The next layer contains frozen water, with temperatures from minus 127 to minus 26 degrees Fahrenheit. The lower layers can reach 134 degrees Fahrenheit. The gravity on Saturn is 1.8 times stronger than Earth's, so a 100 pounds person on Earth would weigh 108 pounds on Saturn. Saturn's atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium, possibly with a solid core deep within. Saturn is breathtaking to observe, even through a basic telescope. If you have the chance, I highly recommend it. Next is Uranus, an ice giant orbiting 2.9 billion kilometers from the Sun. It has a diameter of 50,724 kilometers and takes 84 years to orbit the Sun, with a day lasting 17 hours. Despite its frigid temperatures, most of Uranus's mass comes from a hot, dense fluid of icy materials like water, methane, and ammonia, making it impossible to land on. The average temperature is about minus 353 degrees Fahrenheit, but closer to the core, temperatures can reach 8,540 Fahrenheit. Uranus's gravity is about 86% of Earth's, so a 100 pounds person on Earth would weigh 86 pounds on Uranus. Its atmosphere is mainly hydrogen and helium with some methane, giving the planet its blue color. Finally, we reach Neptune, the furthest confirmed planet from the Sun. Neptune is an ice giant orbiting the Sun at 4.5 billion kilometers. It takes 165 Earth years to complete an orbit, with a day lasting 16 Earth hours. Neptune is the coldest planet, with temperatures ranging from minus 360 to minus 328 degrees Fahrenheit. Neptune is similar to Uranus, with a hot, dense fluid surface of icy water, methane, and ammonia, and an atmosphere mostly of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Neptune's diameter is 49,244 kilometers, and its gravity is 1.14 times stronger than Earth's. If you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you would weigh around 114 pounds on Neptune. Intense storms rage for weeks on Neptune, with fast-moving dark vortex clouds, sometimes growing as large as Earth. Our solar system offers a fascinating glimpse into the potential of other solar systems and beyond. It helps us appreciate Earth's unique ability to support life. While life elsewhere in our solar system hasn't been discovered yet, finding it would be monumental and unlike anything we've seen before. Thank you for watching. Share your thoughts on the solar system in today's video in the comments. Subscribe for more videos like this in the future.